July 31st. This is the deadline every year that we should file our income tax return for the previous financial year. Now, because of obvious reasons due to the pandemic, etc., the deadline was extended first to November and then December, and now it was up till January 10th, 2021. What happens if we don't meet the deadline? There is obviously a penalty of 5,000 rupees. This year, this time, if you have not met the latest deadline, or if you exceed the deadline, you would have to pay double the amount, that is 10,000 rupees. The latest update in the government website of income tax, as well as so many apps that people have developed, have made it so easy for this process. So, if you are a salaried person or you have income from any source, don't you want to know what is your taxable income? You don't need accounting experience for that. So what I'm going to do is, in very simple steps, I'm going to show you how you can calculate your taxable income. We will review an interesting app for this, and then we will match the values which the app calculates on what we find in the Government of India Income Tax website. Which regime suits you? This is the tax calculator app that I have found on Play Store. In beta version, there are many such apps. This one is by Mahua. So just click on calculate tax, fill up the details, choose the age, filling up the income. The gross salary is 10 lakhs. The gross salary is the salary that you're getting in the bank, so whatever monthly salary you're getting overall into 12. Then any other sources of income. The government expects tax on every source of income. So whether you have a savings bank, a savings account, or fixed deposits, so the interests which you're getting on that, all that has to come under any other income. If you've bought a house on loan from the bank, so the interest which you are paying the bank, that also will be under any other income, but it will come as a minus. So let's say the total other income is 2 lakhs. If you've given a house on rent, that rent is also another source of income. Moving on to the deductions. So there is a standard deduction of 50,000. And then if you move into the sections, there are sections from 80C, 80D up till 80U. So you can just go into the sections at each section and see what all is covered there. If you have an LIC or PPF, etc. So if I have a PPF of 50,000, if you have tuition fees for 2 children, you can claim up to that. Then going into 80D, medical insurance, if I have 1 lakh medical insurance. So just fill up in each section whatever you are eligible for. I'm leaving the rest blank for now. Now, to find out the total taxable income under the old regime and the new regime, just click on calculate. So under the old regime, the value is 1,17,000, and in the new regime, the value is 1,19,600. So this is the Government of India website for income tax. Clicking on the tax calculator FY financial year 2020-21. Just like in the app, filling up the age. Now the estimated annual income we had filled up in the app was gross salary 10 lakh. But remember, there was 2 lakh from other sources as well. So the total estimated annual income should be 12 lakhs. Next, we have to fill up the total exemptions and deductions. The site doesn't ask you for the breakup of what you have filled up in all the sections, so that way it's not very helpful, but at least we can verify that the values are being calculated accurately by the app. So the total of all the exemptions was 2 lakh. This includes all the sections: Mediclaim, PPF, and even the standard deduction of 50,000, etc. So let's click on compare tax. And there it's exactly the same figure as was calculated in the app, 1,17,000 for the old regime and 1,19,600 for the new regime. And it's showing a tax benefit as per old regime of rupees 2,600. So we are able to verify the values of the app. Now you know your taxable income. What next? File your taxes. How do you file your taxes? Either you take the help of a CA directly through word of mouth, or through an app such as TaxBuddy, or you can also file your taxes on your own without a CA. In next week's episode, we look at filing our taxes. See you soon.